Welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda 90, which is actually the Irish spec bike rather than Japanese spec bike that we're used to here, which comes with a dual seat, it's a white back box and a front windshield in red. Of course, it only came in red for Ireland, and it's missing a rear chain guard, but apart from that it's all there, nice and original. Front tyre is good, front mudguard has a few marks. This bike is definitely not mint in any way. As you can see throughout here, I will try and show you. I'm not going to point out absolutely everything, but I'll try and show you everything here on video, and you can have a look at yourself. And the front, the plastics here are good though. And there's the engine block and the original Honda exhaust, as you can see there. Onto the back, dual seat, white back box, sorry, little message there. Original indicators, rear wheel is good, or rear tyre I should say. And then onto the rear pillion foot pegs. No chain guard as you can see. Side stand and the main stand. Engine again, 1989 bike as I said. 16,000 miles. Two keys, two original Honda keys. Have the back box in here. That's it for the visual analysis. We'll now move on to the ride along video. Alright, we're on the Honda 90, the original Irish bike, dual seat, back box, front fairing, or front windshield I should say. Yeah, this is loose here, I forgot to tighten it up. We'll get to that later on though, but this is really more to see what the bike is running like. So we have done a full service on her, oils and all that have been changed, and she got to look over before she came out. She's riding nicely. I mean, there's a few little things that you would have seen in the visual analysis that she's not completely mint, and so we're not asking completely mint money for her, but she's running and driving nicely, as you can see, and people love these what you call it, that needs to be tightened as well, these Honda 90s with the dual seats for some reason, you know, far more desirable than the Japanese ones that I don't really understand why. Back brake feels great, as they always do in these 90s. Sometimes the back brakes nearly feel better than the front brakes because of that diving that they do. It does have that original back box on it as well, the white back box that everyone is used to. Still have my indicator on, let me take that off. The clock is in miles rather than kilometers an hour as well, like I'm used to with the Japanese imports. But that's about it. I am personally a much bigger fan of the single seat Japanese bikes just because they are a lot cleaner. The back box is opened up on me here, that's right. She's driving lovely though, and we're just going to turn in left here and have a look at her. Alright, let's park her up here, put her into neutral, take off the indicators. Here we are. Okay, so that's what she looks like on the road. I'll just get a picture here for YouTube thumbnail, so bear with me one moment. And there we go, that should do. There you have her, lovely little bike, Irish original bike. It still has a brown book as well, which people like to see, the brown book being that it is on the old VLC. So I think it's a one or two owner bike, you know, very few owners anywhere on there, so that makes a difference to you. Dual seat with the rear pillion pegs, ready to go. So that's been the Irish 1989 red Honda 90 review on Retro Bikes Dublin. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like, also comment down below on what you think of this 90, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.